Welcome to Research Rocks. If you have Tesla car, this video is very important for you. I am purchasing one of the outstanding accessories of my Tesla car. Where is the accessories? Oh, this is the accessories I am purchasing. Before start the unboxing where I am purchasing this product, I will show you. First of all, I am purchasing from Slack platform. Slack platform are selling multiple accessories, especially on Tesla brand. Physical shortcut button, USB hub for Tesla Model 3, Y and 2020 Plus model as well. Accessories detail available on video description. You just click and order the accessories, which accessories you want like. So now we will see unboxing what exactly look like the accessories. Now I just simply open the box. Inside the box, a Slack sticker, shortcut button, USB hub station for Tesla Model Y and 3. We can open here and let's see what exactly look like this one. Quick. So here the installation guide is available. You just simply QR code scan this one and video is open. Apart from that, I personally fixed this one. This is a manual. Inside the box, this is our product. This one is very lightweight. You just simply put it this one like this, and second USB-C added in your car. Open point of view, they are providing one of the gadget, so you should use this cover in future like this. This one is very important. You need to fix this one in your car. How to fix this one, we can see one by one inside the car. First of all, we need to shut down the car. Press here, then safety, then scroll down, and here the power off option is available. Power off. Now car is fully power off. Remove everything. We need to remove this one first of all, so it's very easy. Inside the box they are providing this tool as well, so I just simply use this tool. Yes. It's easy, not so difficult to open. Make sure some of the grip is available here, so be careful to remove this one. It's easy to grip. So here we have some space, so put it this kit as well there, so it's easy. We are receiving these things. First of all, we need to open this cable as well, the socket like this. It's very easy and compact, and this one is a fix, so you need to fix first of all this one here. Model 3, here this space is available. You just fix properly in this space, yes, like this. After that, okay, this portion to here like this, perfect. Next thing, here you should fix this. Finally done. Manage how you fix the entire thing here. So now next point come here, fix the cap as well. So make sure where is the position. So this one going to the down, and just simply perfect, easy to fix. Now we complete the most difficult part. Now this is our main product. We want to fix this USB hub here. It's very easy to fix. First of all, this portion we need to fix this one here, and this side comes from this way like this. So you can put it here as a cross one and then cross like this, so you can very easily fix and little bit, and that's it. It's very easy to fix. And this USB, now this is our main. You need to fix here the USB. Perfect, this one is fine. And one of the important, if you have extra cable USB, so you should use this hole or open space and attach here. That is easy. perfectly fixed, and here you have extra storage. You can do this one, and now it's closed. Boom. If you press a single click, the front trunk is open. It's magic. If you click double click, battery is preheating. Start. If you long press, rear mirror folding up and open as well, like this. Single click, rear trunk is open, means back trunk. Double click, all lights are on inside the car. Long press, glove box is open, like this. Single click, left door is open from passenger seat. Double click, passenger door is open from right hand side. Long press, passenger rear door is open. Boom. And this one is a seat base move, backward and forward. As it is, seat back move forward and backward as well, like this. It's really nice. In the last feature, you can press here, long press, and seat is hitting. So many features are introducing the small. Hope you enjoy this installation. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video, subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks, and purchase this product from Slack platform. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.